I've heard it said that sending out one postcard is kind of like going on one date and then expecting a proposal. If you want your customers to remember you, to trust you, and to actually call you, you need that repeated exposure. That's why we recommend for all our different types of mailings to do a multi-touch drip sequence. Whether it's radius bombs, neighbor mailing, or every door direct mail, that's going to give you the highest return. We were talking with one of our clients who owns a cleaning business the other day, and he was sharing with us that he found that it was the fifth touch in his postcard sequence where he saw the highest conversion. Now, that may vary for you depending on your specific market and your type of business, but across the board, we recommend a minimum of 2 to 3 touches for every sequence that you send out. And so instead of just a one and done and hoping people are going to remember you, stay in front of them, stay visible, stay relevant, stay on top of their mind. It's much better to send out, 5 touches to a list of 2,000 than 1 touch to a list of 10,000. Almost always you're going to get a better return from that. And the beautiful thing about it is that SendJim can automate this multi-touch sequence for you.